you suspect and you truly believe that someone is stealing from your loved one's estate. However, you don't know how to prove it. How do you prove that someone is stealing from an estate? Hello again, this is Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. If you are new here and you like our content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. The most common complaint I hear from heirs and beneficiaries from a probate or trust administration is somebody is stealing from the estate. When somebody steals from a trust or a probate estate, it impacts everybody. Heirs, beneficiaries, creditors, everybody. Thus, it is in all interested parties' best interest to identify and secure all assets of an estate. The more valuable an estate is, the more likely it will be in a position to pay off all of its expenses and meet its legacy requirements and bequests. So, if you suspect someone has stolen or is stealing from your loved one's estate, how do you prove it? Recognize that if you accuse someone of wrongdoing and they don't admit to it, you'll need to hire an attorney or you'll need to file some kind of legal action against that person. To prove that perpetrator is guilty, you'll need to gather concrete evidence against that perpetrator. Collect all related estate planning documents such as wills, trust, any inventory and appraisal list, any list of items that the deceased person owned. Carefully review all of their financial records, such as credit card statements, bank statements, checking accounts, passbook, savings accounts. Look for any suspicious activity or transactions. If possible, check the suspected perpetrator's residence for any stolen items or assets. If you discover any discrepancies during your investigation, be sure to note them. Carefully scrutinize and review all documents. Look for altered or forged signatures or missing pages of documents. Collaborate with the decedent's financial institutions to determine if there has been any suspicious activity in your loved one's financial accounts. Depending on the size of the estate, you may need to hire a forensic accountant who is experienced in these types of matters. To prove someone is or has been stealing from the estate, you may need witness testimony if you know that witnesses exist. Question of the day: do you know someone who was caught stealing from an estate? If so, how was it proven that that person stole something? Let us know in the comments below. Once you have gathered all concrete evidence, it is wise to hire an attorney to file all of the appropriate paperwork, to request that the judge order an accounting so you can possibly recover all stolen assets and have the perpetrator held liable. I'm Daryl Williams. This is Win-Win Realtors TV. If you know someone in the Southern California area that's dealing with a probate real estate scenario, share this video with them. Let them know about us. If you have a question for me, reach out to me. My contact information is in the description. This video has been for information purposes only. It is not legal advice. I am not an attorney. If you need an attorney, please contact one. If you need an estate planning attorney here in the Southern California area, feel free to reach out to me for a referral.